Are you looking for a powerful microwave that won't eat up your counter space? In this video, we've rounded up the best compact microwaves of 2025, perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs. Stick around to find the one that packs the most punch in the smallest size. Number 1. LG 0.9 cubic feet. Feet countertop microwave. It combines style and smart performance, making it a solid choice for modern kitchens. Though slightly larger than typical compact models, it offers excellent functionality with a sleek design that fits well on most countertops. Its standout feature is advanced sensor cooking, which uses humidity detection to heat food evenly. No more hot or cold spots. With multiple cooking modes and pre-programmed settings for items like pizza and popcorn, it's easy to use once you get familiar with the controls. The popcorn button works especially well, producing minimal unpopped kernels in just over 2 minutes. Despite a low humming noise during use, performance remains efficient and reliable. Overall, this microwave is perfect for quick, even cooking with the added bonus of smart technology. Number 2. Toshiba 0.9 cubic feet compact countertop microwave. This is a compact, efficient appliance ideal for smaller kitchens. With 900 watts of power, it delivers quick and even heating for everyday meals. While it doesn't include a sensor reheat function, its intuitive control panel and convenient presets, like popcorn, potatoes, and frozen vegetables, make it user-friendly and practical. Its sleek design fits comfortably on most countertops, yet the interior is spacious enough to handle dinner plates and large popcorn bags. Although the popcorn setting sometimes leaves kernels unpopped, it performs well for reheating and defrosting. Angie appreciated its simplicity and reliability, despite missing the sensor feature. If you're looking for a microwave that balances size, power, and ease of use, the Toshiba microwave is a dependable choice for daily cooking needs. Number 3. Toshiba 1.0 Q feet compact microwave. It stands out for its multifunctionality and advanced sensor technology, delivering excellent heating efficiency and consistent cooking results. Despite its versatility, it's still compact enough for smaller kitchens, measuring 11.8 by 20 by 16.3 inches. It accommodates larger cookware like baking trays and even functions as an air fryer, making it a space-efficient solution for busy households. Sensor cooking automatically adjusts time and power based on food type, eliminating guesswork. Terry appreciated how reliably it cooked meals, from evenly popped popcorn to perfectly gooey cookies. With cooking modes like bake, broil, air fry, and convection, the microwave is highly versatile. The intuitive control panel and preset options streamline use, and the magnetron heating element ensures even heat distribution across all modes, making it a reliable choice for multifunctional cooking. Number 4. Breville Combi Wave 1.1 cubic feet convection microwave. This is a space-saving and multifunctional kitchen appliance that combines a microwave, air fryer, and convection oven. While it may seem bulky in smaller kitchens, it eliminates the need for multiple appliances and easily accommodates baking trays and air fryer baskets. Its advanced sensor cooking technology automatically adjusts power and time based on food type, ensuring consistently good results without the risk of overcooking. Mara found it reliable for heating leftovers, popping popcorn, and baking cookies. The intuitive control panel makes switching between cooking modes effortless, allowing for easy customization. The microwave heats quickly and evenly, while the air fryer and convection modes produce crispy, well-browned meals with minimal effort. Overall, the Breville Combi Wave 3-in-1 is a versatile and efficient addition to any modern kitchen. Number 5. Cuisinart Fort Compact Countertop Microwave. This oven is a compact 700-watt model that offers consistent heating and efficient performance for its size. While it doesn't have advanced sensor cooking, it includes helpful auto-cook functions for common items like popcorn, frozen vegetables, and pizza. Alex found that it handled everyday meals well, though occasional manual adjustments were needed to avoid overcooking. The control panel can feel slightly clunky at first, but it becomes easier to navigate over time. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for smaller kitchens or apartments, and the sleek black and stainless steel design fits most modern decors. Inside, it accommodates standard dinner plates and bowls, though larger dishes may not fit. So, which is the best? Our top pick is the Breville Combi Wave. With its convection cooking, smart presets, and sleek design, It's the most versatile compact microwave you can buy in 2025. Want power and precision in one? This is it.